Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Cloud for Vertex AI workflow automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Google Cloud console at console.cloud.google.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, locate the project drop-down menu at the top of the page. Select or create a new project for your Vertex AI workflow automation. Next, ensure that billing is enabled for this project. Navigate to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and click on AI and Machine Learning. Under this menu, find and select Vertex AI. Locate and click on the Get Started button if prompted. Next, you need to enable the Vertex AI API for your project. In the API and Services section, click on Library. Search for Vertex AI API in the library search bar. Click on the Vertex AI API result and then hit the Enable button. Once the API is enabled, navigate back to API and Services from the left menu. Click on Credentials to create the necessary credentials for Vertex AI. In the Credentials page, click on Create Credentials and choose Service Account. Fill in the required details for your service account, such as name and description. After creating the service account, you'll be prompted to set its permissions. Select the roles that suit your needs, typically Vertex AI user or more. Once the roles are set, click Continue to finish setting up the service account. On the following screen, you'll have the option to create a key for the service account. Select the JSON key type and click Create. The key file will automatically download to your computer. Store this file securely, as it will be used for authentication in your workflow. Now, navigate to the Vertex AI dashboard. Here, you can start creating your workflows. Ensure that the service account you created is authorized to run jobs. To do this, go to the I am an admin section from the left menu. Find your service account and verify its permissions are correctly set. Once everything is correctly configured, you are ready to begin using Vertex AI for your automation. With your Google Cloud environment fully authorized, you can now explore the diverse functionalities that Vertex AI offers. Follow the dashboard instructions to initiate your first automation workflow effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.